Welcome to quiz number 5, subject STA 630, subject name research method. In this quiz, we will discuss 10 MCQ questions with solution. Question number 1: on which component of his field notes did Mr. Majid focused when he expressed in his notes his thoughts and ideas about what he observed? First option is description, second option is reflection, third option protocol, fourth option formal data. The correct answer of question number 1 is first option. Next we will move to question number 2. In this question we will see what are asked. What is asked? Which of the following is linked with an abstract model of underlying relations or causal mechanism? Historical, comparative research, social research, action research, experimental research. The correct option of question number 2 is first option. Now we will move to question number 3. In question number 3 we will see what is asked or what are asked. In which section is the researcher allowed greater flexibility to express opinions, discuss implications for educational practice, and suggest additional research? The four options are review of the literature, significance of the study, results, discussion. The correct option of question number 3 is 4 option. Now we will move to question number 4 and we see which of the following can be referred as haphazard sampling. We tell about haphazard sampling. Convenience sampling, purposive sampling, snowball sampling, quota sampling. The correct option of question number 4 is 3 option. Now we will move to question number 5 and see what is asked. An important issue index construction. An important issue in index construction is to reconstruct, codify, measure weight. The correct option of question number 5 is 4. Next we will move to question number 6 and see what is asked. Which of the following elements of the observation is are included in non-reactive research? External appearance, count behaviors, time duration, all of the given option. The correct option of question number 6 is 4 option. Now we will move to question number 7 and see what is asked. Secondary existing data may include which of the following? Official documents, personal documents, archived research data, all of the given option. The correct option of question number 7 is 3. Now we will move to question number 8 and see what is the problem in question number 8. Which of the following major problem exist with non-respondent in survey research? Options are: they are tend to be alike in many ways, data cannot be analyzed for only part of sample, they cannot be found to determine if they are similar to respondents, they may have different opinions than respondent. The correct option of question number 8 is 3 option. Now we will move to question number 9 and see which of the following advantage differentiate personal interview from mail, internet and telephonic survey. Differentiate personal interview. Personal interview is different from mail, internet and telephonic survey. Cheaper, expensive, easier, inexpensive. The correct option of question number 9 is third option. Now we will move to question number 10 and see what is asked. Which one of the following methods offers the lowest degree of geographic flexibility? Mail survey, telephone interview, door-to-door personal interview, internet survey. The correct option of question number 10 is 3. Lowest degree है.